Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on how to make a profit from trading. Trading can be a great way to build wealth, but it's not without risk. In order to make a profit, you need to have a solid understanding of the markets, a good trading strategy, and effective risk management techniques. Let's get started. Step 1. Know your market. The first step to making money from trading is to understand the markets you want to trade in. You need to educate yourself on the different types of trading, such as stock trading, forex trading, and cryptocurrency trading. Each market has its own unique characteristics, so it's important to understand the market you want to trade in. You should also familiarize yourself with the different economic and political events that can impact the price of an asset, such as interest rate decisions, earnings reports, and natural disasters. Step 2. Have a solid trading strategy. Once you have a good understanding of the markets, you need to develop a solid trading strategy. This should include a set of rules for entering and exiting trades, as well as a plan for managing your risk. One popular strategy is called price action trading, which involves analyzing the price and volume of an asset to make trade decisions. It's important to have a strategy that you're comfortable with and that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Step 3. Manage your risk. Risk management is crucial to making a profit from trading. This means setting stop-loss orders, which will automatically close your trade if the price of an asset reaches a certain level. It also means not risking more money than you can afford to lose. A good rule of thumb is to never risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading account on any single trade. Additionally, you should also consider using risk management techniques such as position sizing and diversification to minimize your risk. Step 4. Keep learning. In order to make a profit from trading, it's important to keep learning and stay up to date with the markets. This means reading financial news, participating in online trading forums, and taking online courses or attending workshops. The markets are constantly changing, so it's important to be proactive about staying informed. Step 5. Be patient and disciplined. Finally, it's important to be patient and disciplined when trading. This means following your trading strategy, avoiding impulsive trades based on emotions, and avoiding the temptation to overtrade. Trading can be a long-term process, so it's important to be patient and not get discouraged by short-term setbacks. In conclusion, making a profit from trading requires a solid understanding of the markets, a good trading strategy, effective risk management, a commitment to learning, and patience and discipline. Remember, trading can be a great way to build wealth, but it's important to always be mindful of the risks involved. Thank you for watching this video, and happy trading.